Back on the Cummins with the #1 cylinder Missfire. Just showed you how to blow those off. Explain how I made the mistake of taking the valve cover off. Just not used to recording these videos, and I just skipped that test or that step, which is really important, cleaning this off so the dirt doesn't fall in there. Nonetheless, let's get to it. So again, these are 19mm. Check this out. These are called gator grips from Snap-on. They're designed to go on lines. I understand if you don't have one, but if you're able to get some of these are great because they work great as ratchet wrenches, and they work great as gator grip wrenches for lines. This is a 19mm line. I already have them loose. So just wanted to show you the prep work before you take off these lines. These holders, some people are going to say just loosen them up from the bolt. I loosen them up from here too. Reason being is because as you're taking it off, you don't want these things to be jammed up right here, and you're just forcing the line to move. I mean, what is a few seconds of your life to loosen that up? If that's too much time, then you're in the wrong industry. All right, so let me go ahead and start taking these lines off. I'm gonna pop the lines off, show you how to pop off the tubes and whatnot, and go from there. All right, guys, let me get on it.